So when you're selling to restaurant clients, do you have a consultation period? Obviously, where you're asking what the customer wants. Do you have them signed up to a contract, or because you don't want to have any waste? Like, are they buying off you 1 week, and then can they opt out the second week? What way do you structure your sales?
Handshake agreement. I don't do contracts. It doesn't really exist out there for day-to-day farmers. If I was working with a massive distribution firm that's doing 1,000 pounds a week, yes, there's going to be a contractual base there, because we're actually growing $20,000 for them for sure, right? My average client's 2 to 3 pounds. So part of it's just, for me, it's just taking his life. If you establish a good relationship with people and understanding, but I preset all these cursors when I have a meeting. So if they're a Tuesday delivery, I'll mention to them that, we set all our clients up in a weekly standing par. So if they order an initial 2 pounds of radish, 2 pounds of peas, they're going to receive that weekly. I harvest for them Monday, so it's fresh for them on delivery Tuesday. But saying that, though, I still have the allowance. If they want to make a change, I simply ask for 48 hours notice. So they would let me know by Sunday for any changes that week, up or down. So now I haven't harvested. I haven't done anything with the Monday crops. Right now, if they let me know Monday night, I'd wait out. Right? Is it a massive order? I'm like, sorry guys, it's already in. You knew the rules, right? I have clients a year in. Hey, I'd cancel tomorrow. We have too much. I'm like, well, that's not happening, man. We'll drop off this week. You can skip next week. Is usually what I come back with, right? But I'm not going to eat a bill because you forgot to put an order in. Now, it's a brand new customer. People forget. We'll figure it out, right? I can, build that back into my business. But we want to establish a relationship, right? But we set these parameters in the meeting. When I go and talk, this is how we do it. So if they want a delivery on Friday, it doesn't happen because guess what? There's no product available. We intentionally do this. When I harvest Monday, Tuesday, we're done. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, there's nothing available at our farm in maturity. Because remember, they just went into light Monday. So that's why we don't do long-term crops. I don't do anything past this 10-day cycle, because once they're harvested, they're done. And this is someone orders on a Wednesday, then they get the next cycle, right? This really helps you streamline your farm, because like, well, okay, I guess we'll go deliver today. Oh, we'll go deliver tomorrow. And then you're delivering 7 days a week before you know it.
So that makes sense. So have your upfront with the client that you're dealing with, making sure they understand exactly where you stand, and
keep your structure.
Yeah, of course, be a good producer for at the end of the day, and make it work.